Hi everyone, this video will demonstrate how to create a climate graph using Excel. This is an example of a climate graph. Climate graphs combine a column graph with a line graph. The line graphs show the maximum and minimum temperatures for each of the 12 months of the year. The temperatures are read from the left vertical axis, and the column graph shows the rainfall for each month. The rainfall totals are read from the right vertical axis. For this video, I'll be using climate statistics from Sydney. You'll be provided with statistics from Melbourne to make your graph. Please note that temperature is in degrees Celsius and rainfall is in millimetres. Your first step is to copy the data set into an Excel spreadsheet. So I'll highlight the data, right-click, copy, open up a blank Excel workbook or spreadsheet, right-click, paste. Now that we've got the data in Excel, we need to highlight that data, go up to the top panel, click on Insert, and we're going to insert a 2D column graph. As you can see, this will bring up our data in a series of column graphs. However, as we previously stated, you are going to create a climate graph. So we need temperature to be represented as a line, and rainfall to be represented as columns. To do that, we need to click on our chart and right-click and select Change Chart Type to make it a combo chart, which is down the bottom here. Once we click on combo, we need to adjust some of these settings. So we would like temperature to be a line. So under chart type, you need to change that to line. We would like rainfall to be column. So please select column. We also need to add in a secondary axis to list that rainfall will be in millimetres. So please tick that box next to rainfall. Click on OK. Now we have the correct graph, we need to include some labels. The first thing we're going to do is change the chart title. I use data from Sydney, so I'm going to call my graph Sydney's climate graph. The next thing we need to do is label our axes. We'll start by labeling the horizontal axis. So we click on our chart area, and up here there's design. We need to add chart element, axes titles, primary horizontal, and that will add in a little title down here. The title for our horizontal axis is month. Next, we're going to label our primary vertical axis. So again, following the same steps, add chart element, axes titles, primary vertical, and this one will be degrees Celsius. So that is temperature. Then we need to label our secondary vertical axis. So again, following those same steps, add chart element, secondary vertical axis, and the units here are millimetres. So your graph will look something like this. Now, this is almost complete. Our last step is to change some of the colours on this graph to make sure it truly represents our geographic conventions for climate graphs. In order to change the colours, you need to we'll start by changing the colours of rainfall. And you need to click on one of the columns, and you'll notice that all of the columns are highlighted. So once all the columns are highlighted, go up to this top panel and click on Format. We then want to change the columns, which is rainfall, into a dark blue colour. In order to change temperature into an orange colour, we need to click on that line. Same thing, Format, but this time we need to select Shape Outline and choose our colour orange. And there we have our graph. Once you've completed those steps, please click on your graph right-click, copy, and paste that into your report.